Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jyoti. I hope you are doing well and having a good week so far. I'm back with another tutorial. This is a glittery reddish smoky eyes kind of a look. This will go perfect for all your red outfits that you want to wear for parties or weddings. This is to me a very nice look. I just love this look a lot, and for creating this look I have used a very simple technique. So if you want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching and please do subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I'm posting every single day and I'll be posting every single day, so you don't want to miss any of that, and also turn on the notification bell. So yeah, let's get started. With priming my eyelid with some concealer. This will help me to get rid of any form of redness. For today's eyeshadow look, I'm using this bright beautiful palette from Makeup Revolution X Patricia Bright collaboration, and I'm using a reddish kind of pink shade. This is like a very deeper shade of pink, and I'm applying this with the help of a pencil brush, and I'm only going to be applying this in the eyelid area. Then I'm using the same pencil brush to blend the edges of that product. I'm not taking any extra product with. And next I'm taking a fluffy kind of a brush, and with the help of that I've taken a lighter pink shade and I'm going to apply above this. So this is going to create a smoky effect from the deeper to the lighter. Next I'm taking this purplish kind of purplish brownish kind of shimmery shade. Next I'm going to take the blending brush again and I'm going to blend both of the colors together to get a nice and seamless blend. Next I'm applying some glitter glue. This is by PAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply the glitter. As you can see, that red glitter which catches my eyes, and it's one of my favorite glitters out there. Next I'm going to apply some eyeliner. For that I've taken the Eyeliner Essence eyeliner, and I just love using this eyeliner because this is very inexpensive and the wand is really good. I just love using it. Next I'll be cleaning up all the edges of my eyeshadows. So if you don't want to do this step, you can apply a sellotape before you apply. That also creates a very clean and perfect look. Next, for my lower waterline, I'm using a Kohl pencil. This is by Faces Canada, and I just love using this one because this glides on smoothly and the pigmentation is also very beautiful. Next I'm using a mascara. This is by L'Oreal. This is the only mascara I have been using lately. Next I'm using the same color that we have applied in our lid. This is that deep reddish color. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corner and brow bone area. So we are done with our look. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next day with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.